In this video, I will show you how to install the game on Steam Launcher. I will show you the correct installation. For example, I will use the game GTA 5. After that, you will be able to install any game on Steam. If you are installing a game on Steam for the first time, then you need to open the settings to create a folder to install the games. After that, select Storage. Click on this icon and select Add Drive. Next, you need to select Let me choose another locations. Click the Add button. Open the disk where you want to install the game. You need to create a new folder on this disk. This folder should be empty. Let's call it Games. After that, open that Games folder that you created. Create a new folder in this folder and name it Steam. This folder should also be empty. After that, select that Steam folder. The installation path of the game has been created. In the storage section, you need to select the drive on which you created the Steam folder. After that, you can close the settings. Now we can install the GTA 5 game. Click Install and select the disk on which we created the Steam folder. After that, click Install. The game will start the installation. The installation is complete and we can start the game. That's all. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.